Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME GT8 Pro Dream Edition, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer and tapping on the keypad, as it is the place where you can enter all of those codes. Let's start with the shortest one, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both the main numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and now another code, which is *#426##. And here we are in the Diagnostics, so we can check the server, host port, time connected. We can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, you can show advanced view. Just tap on the status again, and here we've got more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back, and another code, which is *#225##. And here we are in the calendar info, so we can check all the events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. Unfortunately, here you can only check the amount of or the number of events which you've got saved, because you cannot really enter specific categories. So you can simply check that for the family you've got 3 events. Alright, another code, which is *#6776#, and thanks to it we can check the software version, so some technical information about your device, so for example the carrier version, Android version, and the exact model. Another code is *800#, and here we've got the PCB number and the QR code, which you can scan and check more information about your device. And the last code, which will open the feedback menu, is *800#. Of course, give all the permissions it needs, and here basically you will be able to check your device, report some kind of problem. So for example, if you experience a problem with the display and touchscreen, find the proper category here and tap on it, and now you can choose, so for example, screen display and problems with colors. So after that you will have the instruction what you have to do in order to report the problem. Basically you will need to tap on start, and we need to restart the phone, so let me just go back. I will explain everything. So you will start, and I highly recommend tapping on screen recording also, so you will be able to record the screen, and it will be saved. And then you need to follow all of those steps in order to try to report your problem. After that, just tap on done, and a log file will be processed. It will be also saved to, for example, your feedback here, and the access is denied. In my case, however, you will be able to report everything, and hopefully they will find some solutions to your problem. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.